Welcome back. In episode 3, we passed the gatekeeper. Now, we're deep inside the city that never sleeps, the cell.
Around us, the cytoplasm is thick with activity.
We can see power plants and highways, but today, we meet the boss.
We are heading straight for the command center, the most secure location in the human body, the nucleus. It's protected by the nuclear envelope, a double-layered vault designed to keep the cell's most precious data safe.
Look at these dimples. These are nuclear pores. They aren't just holes. They are high-tech protein airlocks.
These pores are elite security guards. They decide exactly which instructions leave and which messengers enter. Hold your breath. We're passing through the airlock and entering the archive of your existence. Welcome to the vault. This forest of blue light is your DNA, the master blueprint for every part of you. There are 6 feet of DNA packed into this microscopic space. To make it fit, the cell uses a masterpiece of engineering. The DNA wraps around protein beads called histones. This beads on a string structure is the secret to the pack. It's more than just storage. This folding determines which genes are on and which genes are off. It's the cell's operating system.
When the cell needs an instruction, the nucleus unrolls a specific loop, exposing the code so it can be read and copied.
This is transcription. The nucleus isn't just holding the blueprint, it's printing out thousands of temporary work orders every second.
These instructions, called messenger RNA, carry the boss's orders from the safety of the vault out to the factory floor.
But a boss is nothing without workers. To find where those workers are born, we have to go even deeper. This is the Nucleolus. It has no membrane because it's a living storm of activity, mass-producing the components for ribosomes.
The nucleus is a master of logistics. It sends the instructions and the workers out through the pores at the same time.
They pass through the airlocks, leaving the command center behind. The orders are live. The cell is ready to build. The nucleus has spoken. Now, those orders head straight for the cell's highway system to be turned into reality. It's a library, a government, and a factory. Without this central brain, the cell would be nothing but a directionless mess. Next time, we follow the workers. We're hitting the highways to see how those protein orders actually get built.
Every heartbeat, every thought, and every breath starts with a command from a nucleus just like this.
I'm your name, and this is Minute Biology. Don't let the gates close. Hit that subscribe button.
Master the building blocks of life. Watch the full series and become a cell expert, 1 minute at a time. But even a boss needs power. Next week, the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell.